Hello दोस्तों, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Direction 360. In this video lecture, we are starting word association sentence. Starting from alphabet E. The first word is extend. Its meaning in Urdu language is tosi. The sentence of word extend is extend efforts till success. The next word is accept. Its meaning in Urdu language is सिवाय. The sentence of word accept is no one is perfect. Is perfect. Except Allah. The next word is efforts. Its meaning in Urdu language is कोशिश. The sentence of word efforts is efforts never wasted. Or other sentence of word effort is make positive efforts. The next word is executed. The sentence of word executed is law or rules are executed by court. The next word is escape. Its meaning in Urdu language is फरार होना या जान छुड़वाना. फरार होना. The sentence of word escape is never escape from hardship. Never escape from hardship. The other sentence of word escape is covered always escape. The complex sentence of word escape is or associated sentence of word escape is be aware of enemy land. Or the other word sentence of word escape is enemy escape. Enemy escape from battlefield. The next word is example. Its meaning in Urdu language is नमूना या मिसाल. The meaningful sentence of word escape is Holy Prophet is the eponym. PBUH is the eponym is the best example. for us. The next word is eat. Its meaning in Urdu language is khana. The sentence of word eat is eat balanced diet or eat with manner. The next word is enemy. Its meaning in Urdu language is dushman. The sentence of word enemy is never take enemy easy. The next word is and. Its meaning in Urdu language is ikhtitam. The meaningful sentence of word and is there is no end to get knowledge. The next word is the next meaningful sentence of word and is fight till and. The next word is easy. Its meaning in Urdu language is asan. A meaningful sentence of word easy is hard work make work easy. The next word is emotions. Its meaning in Urdu language is jazbaat. The sentence of word emotion is never play with someone emotions. The next word is evil. The meaning of evil in Urdu is burai. The sentence of word evil is refrain from evil. The next word is enviousness. Its meaning in Urdu language is hasad or jalan. A meaningful sentence of word enviousness is selflessness, overcomes enviousness. The next word is efforts. Its meaning in Urdu language is koshish. The sentence of word efforts is efforts removes difficulties. The next word is enjoy. Its meaning in Urdu language is lutf andaz hona. A meaningful sentence of word enjoy is enjoy good company. The next word is The next meaningful sentence of word enjoy is enjoy the joy of success. The next word is environment. Its meaning in Urdu language is mahol. The sentence of word environment is save environment from pollution. The next word is excuse. Its meaning in Urdu language is uzr. The sentence of word excuse is excuse with logic. The next word is encourage. Its meaning in Urdu language is हौसला देना. The sentence of word encourage is encourage for noble cause. The next word is evil. Its meaning in Urdu language is burai. The sentence of word evil is stop evil by force. The next word is enemy. Its meaning in Urdu language is dushman. The meaningful sentence of word enemy is be aware of enemy plan. The next meaningful sentence of word enemy is ISSB took tried in enemy area. The next word is empty. Its meaning in Urdu language is khali. The meaningful sentence of word empty is rain fill empty lakes. The next word is earn. Its meaning in Urdu language is kamana. The meaningful sentence of word honesty earn is honesty earns respect. The next word is elder. Its meaning in Urdu language is buzurg. The sentence of word elder is elder are the best example. The next word is examination. Its meaning in Urdu language is imtihan. The sentence of word examination is a test for of eligibility criteria. The other sentence of word examination is examination का दूसरा जुमला है examination is test to check the preparation. The next word is encouragement. It means in Urdu language is हौसला अफजाई. The meaningful sentence of word encouragement is encouragement provides motivation. The next meaningful sentence of word encouragement is encouragement improves performance. The next word is efficiency. Its meaning in Urdu language is कारकर्दगी. The meaningful sentence of word efficiency is practice increase efficiency. The next word is enjoyable. Its meaning in Urdu language is काबिले लुत्फ. The meaningful sentence of word enjoyable is tears of success are enjoyable. The next word is experience. The next word is experience. Its meaning in Urdu language is tajrba. The meaningful sentence of word experience is experience. The meaningful sentence of word experience is experience always pays. The other meaningful sentence of word experience is experience gives perfection. The other meaningful sentence of word experience is take experience for success.